Howdy, and welcome to our garage shop for another unboxing / explanation. You can see I'm looking at a SimPure PGC water filter. It's got 5 micron finish filter. It fits your 10 by 4.5 inch big blue filter cages. If you've got one of those, you know what I'm talking about. It'll fit right in there. Our old house, we're doing a retrofit, has a 2-inch small little sediment trap. It was just the wife and I living in our little house, and it did great to catch the sediment. However, there's been a lot of new construction in the area, so we're getting more silt and sand and debris. We've even found a piece of fiberglass insulation. Not sure how that got in the water line, but it did, and it made its way into our water filter. Well, now we have 2 kids. We're using a lot of water. The taste is changing as well with all this new construction and new ingredients that they're putting in the city water. So we wanted to put a carbon filter on as well. We found this super cool product. We're excited to use it because it's really 3 filters in one made by SimPure. Here's the unboxing. There it is. How about that? They're unboxed. So this is super cool. If you haven't seen from the Amazon description, it's got 3 parts to it. It's a 10 micron filter on the outside. You can see if I can get the camera angle. You can kind of see the discoloration there on the bottom where it goes from light to dark. It's got granulated carbon wound up in here between 2 different filters. So you can see there on the inside, that's the ribbed 5 micron. So the carbon's going to be taking out the taste, and the 5 and 10 micron filters are going to be taking out all the sediment. We're super excited to give this a try so that we have less sediment and less chemically tasting water, seeing what the carbon will do for us. And being a bigger filter, hopefully we don't have to change this every 2 weeks. We can go a few weeks, maybe a few months between changes, and with that we'll get a higher water pressure over time because our filter isn't getting as clogged. As I just mentioned, our smaller filter, man, we can't even go a month without a pressure drop, and that's the sign that we have to change the filter. So we're excited about having more water pressure and better tasting, smelling, and cleaner water running through our appliances. Thank you very much, SimPure. Can't wait to get this in there. Howdy. Back again to do a 1-week test for you guys. Thought 1 week was good enough, and let me tell you, we are thoroughly impressed with the lack of smell in our water. Thank you, carbon. And even the taste has changed. It's awesome. It tastes more like bottled water and less like city water, and we're excited about that because it's like we're taking a shower in bottled water. Go ahead, take a whiff. You smell that? No. And I got a big nose. It's pretty good at sniffing. I don't smell those chemicals anymore. We love it. The water's still clear. It lacks smell and it tastes better. We're pretty excited about that carbon filter that we got from SimPure. Man, it's awesome. Highly recommend it. Got the 3-pack, was a little more expensive. However, we're looking forward to a long time of fresh smelling and good tasting city water. Thanks again, SimPure. 2 thumbs up. Oh, hey, and I forgot to mention, if you like this video, or even if you didn't, give me a like and a subscribe.